Hello friends, welcome to the Academia University. One system, all of IT career. While everybody is talking about job crisis, let us talk about job opportunities. That were rewarding job opportunities. The underlying principle is very simple. Beat the crisis and grab the opportunities. This is not a motivation statement. This is an absolute reality and 100% truth. Through this video, I am going to prove it. Now I am sharing a game-changing opportunities with you. That is a rewarding tech job for all graduates regardless of the stream. That means any graduate of any stream uh, like BA, BCom, BSc, BCA, BBA, BBM or any other graduate are equivalent and above are eligible to grab this opportunity and all that. In this, I am offering tech job. Tech job means you can understand it as a IT job or software job. All are synonymous words. Now the question is, what you need to do? Just you give me 2 hours time. That 2 hours that change everything. Now you have to believe one thing. Test before trust. I am going to provide you 2 hours of free fitness training and test for a tech job. 2 hours test. Just to prepare. This is an Excel, but I don't expect any Excel background or any other programming background of you. But only thing is a positive mind. You study this and clear it. Once you clear the fitness test and all that, then you take it as granted. You are 100% deserve to aspire a tech job. Thereafter, what you require, everything I am going to provide you until you realize your dream tech job and all that. This is a matter of 10 to 15 minutes video. In this, many new facts I am sharing with you, and 95%, even 99% of you do not know about that. That's why understand all the facts. If you are able to believe me, then make a test. That's why I'm telling you, test before you trust. It is a matter of career. You cannot take a chance. I request you all, you subscribe to this channel and like it. Thereafter, I provide you n number of services until you settle in a rewarding tech job. In order to believe my statement, you must know 3 facts. The first one is, in this period of job crisis, while technical graduates are struggling to get a tech job, why industry will consider my candidature for a tech job being a non-technical graduate? It is very, very genuine and basic doubt. First, it should be clarified 100%. Then only you proceed further. The second one is, how can you provide fitness training as well as test just with a 2 hours training module? The third one is, how your system is distinct from all other systems and all that. Or otherwise, how you can provide 0 to pro industry ready training in the self-mastery and Indianized organic model. Now, I clarify your first doubt. Being a corporate professional, I share the industry's hidden truth during the job crisis. The first point is, during the periods of a job crisis, companies prefer productive and industry-ready candidates, not just degree holders. The second one is, the most important fact is your ability to deliver results from day one with a minimum training or no training. Your branch and background of degree are secondary and all. The third one is, if you are a graduate of any stream, technical or non-technical, you can prepare for qualifying for a tech job. Tech job without having any doubt or hesitation. What you need and all that, everything I am going to provide through my system. Now you get a doubt, why graduation? Actually, if you are a corporate professional and all that, you have to handle professional challenges effectively in daily routine and all that. For that purpose, your physical maturity as well as mental maturity is required. For that purpose, companies expect graduation for the sake of maturity, nothing else and all. So, your focus should be on industry readiness rather than the qualification. Now, I clarify your second doubt. Give me just 2 hours time. That can change everything. You will get a great opportunity to appraise yourself in a pragmatic manner. Actually, you must know one thing. Being a tech professional and all that, you must have 5 qualities, 5 unique qualities: patience, perseverance, common sense, IQ, and fitness for the tech job and all that. Because of the 2 hours of training and test, you can appraise yourself whether you have these qualities or not. Nobody will appraise. Self-appraiser is the best appraiser. There are no hype, no false promise. This is totally realistic appraiser. I am providing tech fitness training and test as a 2 hours knowledge capsule for free, absolutely free. No conditions apply. That point you have to understand. It contains 4 elements. The first one is free ebook. You can download this ebook from the description box of the video. The corresponding link is available there. This ebook consists of 6 core Excel concepts and 6 hands-on Excel programs and step-by-step video lectures for all the concepts as well as all the programs. You never get any doubt and all that. In order to raise a doubt and all that, you have to make a research. That is a humble challenge to all of you. So sincerely prepare. First you appraise yourself whether tech job or not. First you have to know about yourself and all that, and first download. And one thing I am telling you, I cannot comment whether it is easy or difficult. But if you aspire a tech job and all that, this is the minimum standard one should have. Once you clear this fitness test and all that, you can take it as granted. You are 100% deserve for aspiring a tech job. Prove your fitness and build your future. By completing the challenge and all that, you can understand 2 crucial facts. The first one is your fitness for a tech job. Not only that, as I told you already, you can self-appraise your personal qualities which are required for a professional job. The second one is how Eclavia system works perfectly for you. Actually, here 2 aspects are there. Your compatibility for a tech job is one aspect. Thereafter, you have to undergo some training. For that purpose, the training system should be compatible for you and all that. It should work perfectly for you. That's why by this training capsule, you can understand both facts. Those are very core and all that. Once you realize that you are perfectly fit for a tech job and all that, thereafter, being a mentor, I can give you everything what you need, step by step, until you reach your dream tech job. After that, before you decide, you must know certain facts and all that. That's why you watch the next video. In the next video, I explain many things which are required for your profession, future job. Not only tech job, any job and all that. In that, I explain how to beat the job crisis and your action plan. The second one is the realistic roadmap and execution plan. You must know all the facts because the matter of your career, it is very crucial. That's why you should know all the facts before you take a positive decision. Now, I clarify your third doubt. How your system is distinct from all other systems in the world. Actually, there are 6 distinctive features make our system outstanding in the world. Now, I give a precise explanation of all these 6 features. The first one is Indianized organic learning approach. Actually, nobody has implemented this feature for any technical study in India or elsewhere. For the first time, I have incorporated ancient Eclavia spirit in the modern programming studies and all that. I cannot explain it verbally. You have to experience that. With the 2 hours fitness module, you can experience that. The second one is self-mastery system. Actually, most college students do not know about that because they prepare for college exam. Always some important, unimportant are there. Here, in the mastery thing, no just learning. You must master each and every concept in the subject. Ultimately, you should become master over the subject. Here, simple example I give you. A subject consists of, let us say, 26 concepts. Then, first you must learn and master A before proceeding to B. Thereafter, you should master B before proceeding C. In that way, you master each and every concept in the subject. Ultimately, you master Z. It is like a links in the chain. You know a saying, the strength of the chain depends on the weakest link. Suppose this link is weak. The strength of the chain depends on that. That's why this technical subject, not a TV episode. That's why you must master each and every concept. By that, you can self-master. That then only you can get knowledge skills as well as communication skills. That is the real mastery. Here a simple example I give you to understand this concept. Actually, if you know the recipe of a dish, that is knowledge. Suppose, let us say biryani. You know the recipe of preparing biryani, that is just knowledge. Thereafter, if you are able to prepare biryani according to that recipe and all that, that is skill. The third one is communication. That is also very, you must be in a position to explain how you prepared biryani and all that to others. Communication. If you don't have communication skills and all that, nobody will recognize you. It is like a tank full of water without tap. That's why mastery means you should acquire three skills. One is knowledge, second one is matching skills, third one is matching communication skills. That point you have to understand. Through my system, from the concept number one, I am focusing on this aspect. And third one is zero to pro approach. How can I expect that you have some knowledge? Because of your qualification and all that, I don't expect some knowledge from you and all that. We have knowledge also. What is the standard? I never know that. So in my approach, it starts from zero. Every concept I explain to you, and in order to enable you to become master, not just learning. The fourth feature is complete and doubt-free learning experience. Actually, if I don't provide you complete information, who can provide? You need not refer many systems and all that. One system is enough to get everything. And second, the most important is 100% doubt-free. A doubt is an obstruction in your study and all that. That's why I made it 100% doubt-free. Here, I am throwing a humble challenge to you. After studying any concept or module, try to raise a doubt. In order to raise a doubt, you have to make a research, no doubt about that. This is not out of overconfidence. This is my self-confidence as well as experience. Thereafter, beyond training, I am providing you ecosystem. Ecosystem means in order to evolve as industry-ready professional and all that, just some material or some videos are not enough. What you require, everything I am going to provide you. It consists of study notes, video lectures, assignment tests, updates, and everything what you require, everything I am going to provide to you in order to evolve a zero-based student as industry-ready professional for the first job. Actually, mentored guided transformation. Actually, here I am not a teacher. My system will teach you, but being a mentor, step by step, I can guide you and support you until you secure your dream tech job. Because of all these distinctive features, world's number one AI platform, ChatGPT, appraised our system deeply and all that, awarded India's number one rank for our Excel All Clear tutorial. Not only for Excel, I am going to get this type of certifications for other technologies also within few months. Finally, my promise is simple. If you give your trust, I will take care of your career building journey. In this context, you must know one thing. If you have trust, you can develop confidence in that. Your confidence leads to conviction. Your conviction leads to focused preparation that leads to your success. Wish you all the best.